Alright, everybody, what's good? It's me, Jimmy B, and I'm here with you on a What Did I Just Buy episode. And so today we're going to be talking about the Popeyes clothing line. I believe it's that look from Popeyes.com. I'll put all the information in the description. But basically, everyone knows who Beyonce is, right? Hopefully. And everybody knows, well, I can't keep saying everybody. Most people know about her clothing line, Ivy Park. It had initially been launched, and there was a whole controversy that went on, so it was discontinued. And so now it's been relaunched through Adidas, and I think it was about 2 weeks ago the launch was done. And everybody, had their little comments about the items, but whatever. I don't care. So I wanted to get me some things from there, but at the time, everything sold out. And then they did sorry about my dog, he's clingy. And so they did a relaunch of limited things, and all of those things sold out. So I never got to pick up any items. So then there was something going around about that she was like a lifetime Popeyes customer, and so she has like this little card where she gets free Popeyes. Anyways, so then Popeyes came out with a clothing line that looked oddly similar to Beyonce's release. And so basically they were selling their uniforms, which also was funny because apparently there's like a franchise or whatever in the UK that they were basically saying that Beyonce ripped off their workers' uniforms. So I guess this was like Popeyes, like, we're gonna sell our workers' uniform, and it was like really Ivy Park-esque marketed. I'm sorry, y'all. Coming over a cold. Anyways, so I went to the website to purchase some items. When I got to the website, all they had left was their jackets, the I think it's the windbreaker, and or the rain jacket, whichever one, and then they also had some hats left. Everything else was sold out. Not a big hat person. As you can see, I got a lot of fluff going on, and I think it was their visors, and I can't do the visor thing, and then I have more dad caps, and I'm trying to, be less like buying a lot of stuff that I don't need, basically. Whatever word that means, it'll come to me probably like in 3 days, and it'll be like too late. Anyways, so I purchased the windbreaker or raincoat, whatever. I love jackets. I live in Houston, Texas, so the weather is always meh. So it's perfect, for when it's boiling hot, and then you walk outside 10 minutes later and now it's 30 degrees. Anyways, so my box came in yesterday, and so here's the box. I ripped off the shipping label because I don't need any stalkers. I have enough stalkers already. Don't need more. So it came in a priority mailbox. I believe I ordered this last week, in all honesty. Like, I ordered it maybe at 4 or 3 in the afternoon, and it like shipped that day. So shipped pretty fast. And then it got here, and it is a Tuesday, so I ordered it on a Tuesday, and it got here on a Tuesday. So yeah, I ordered it on the 31st because I remember I was in the doctor's office when I saw the tweet originally. So I ordered it January 31st, and it is now February 11th. And so yeah, about a week if you business days or whatever. So here's the box. I have not opened it yet, and so now you're gonna witness me opening this with a pen because I don't have anything else. And if you hear my phone ringing, I'm actually waiting on a package from Target. waiting on them to tell me it's ready to pick up because, you know, I don't like shopping. Anyway, so let's get this open. Cool. So here it is. As you can see, it's like a maroon color. I think I have a, yes, well, I know I have a maroon jacket. And it's actually time to get rid of it because I broke the zipper off. Well, I melted it off. But anyways, that's besides the point. So, here it is. We're just gonna set this. I'm in my bed right now, and this giant screen you see right here is actually my projector screen. I'm weird. I didn't want to go through the hassle of mounting a TV on my wall, so I actually not the point of this video, but just to let you know, this giant white screen, I'm actually in my bed and this is my projector screen, so whatever. Anyways, back to this guy. So I ordered this in a size large. When I was getting ready to order this, like, they were running out fast, and so I think in the picture the model it said was wearing a size large, maybe? I don't know. I like baggy stuff. So I wear typically a medium. This is a terrible example. This is a band shirt. Well, not really. It's a Fender shirt, and this is a size large. So it's kind of like long and baggy on me. Well, meh. But I normally wear, if I want something like conform to my body, it's a medium. I wear a medium. And so I bought this in a large. Already you can see the Popeyes symbol on there. Good, good. And then, so let's open this bad boy up. So this is all first impression. I have not opened this. I have not, you know, done anything. You just watched me open the box, so that was not fake. See, there's, even the side is taped up. There's like none of that. And the only thing that I did prior to recording was rip this off so you guys, you know, I don't get harassed. Anyways, so get this. It comes in this nice plastic bag. Make sure to put this back into the box it came out of so my dog doesn't find it in. Then I have animal services called to my apartment. Don't need that. Cool. Okay. It is like, it's like your typical like raincoat windbreaker fabric. It's not soft. I mean, you can hear that it's not soft. It is definitely thick. Yeah. Oh, okay. There's like a little tag. I don't want to rip anything off. Oh, well, it's attached to the zipper. So there's like a tag. What does this say? Port pocket. Easy access for clean embroidery. Unzip here. Where's he? Oh! Woo! Can you tell I'm sick? I'm so dumb. There's a zipper on the bottom. Right here. You definitely can't see it. I'm recording this with my Samsung Galaxy 10. So sorry in advance, guys. There's like a zipper right here. And easy access for clean embroidery. Oh, so I can get this embroidered. Hey, if there's any embroiderers in Houston, hit me up so I can get this customized for real. So that's really neat. There's pockets. The pocket has like a polyester lining in it. Like most like windbreaker windcoats do. The inside is like a jersey cotton, but it's like, it's not soft. Like, I don't know. I can't say it's like t-shirt material because it's definitely not what it feels like. But anyway, sorry. And you have your cool little zipper. This one is a zip up. I did not get a quarter zip. I have way too many quarter zips and it's annoying. Here's another port pocket. So yeah, here's another opening where I guess you can get your embroidery done. Let's see. Ooh. Yeah, okay, I thought so. The inside of this is like a fleece lining. They should have put this on the inside instead of making it like the inner pocket area. Which, in all honesty, just like a random piece of fabric. You could probably like hide snacks in this thing, bruh, and then they'd be like empty your pockets. Psych! I hid my snacks inside the embroidery hole. You can tell I eat way too much candy. Anyways, okay, so there's that. And then, so, yeah, that's it. Yeah, okay, I ordered a size large. I don't know if I said large or extra large. Can't remember. Have terrible short-term memory. Okay, cool. So let's like, it is very warm right off the bat. This thing is warm, like, okay. It's a little stiff. I mean, ooh, can you hear that? Like, you see like this little thing, freaking spine going on here? It's like, okay. But like, okay, and then it has like most rain or windbreakers as Velcro straps. I always keep mine like flat. I don't ever tighten these things up just because I wear my Apple Watch a lot, and I have shirts that have buttons on the wrists where I, like, if I'm taking my clothes off, taking my shirt off for the day and I have that and it gets caught on my wrist and it's like a struggle. Anyway, so I always leave the wrists as I bought them. But yeah, so let me reposition my camera somewhere and then give you guys like a more full body visual of what's going on here. So let's go. Okay, so here it is. And like I said, I wear like a medium, and so I ordered this in a large, and this is how it fits. Like, I can't stick my hands out all the way, but you know, it's not like too, so like, here's my arm right here. And so it's like maybe like 1.5 inches of fabric hanging, but it's like just baggy enough, and like, I have on, this is like a size large, extra large shirt. And so it's like baggy enough for me, for my taste. I love it. This thing is so warm. I love it. So if you need like a nice windbreaker. Oh, and it does come with a hood too. So, yeah. Perfect. Yeah, so if you need like a rain jacket or a windbreaker, this is the one for you. And it's, I can't say this enough. This thing is so warm. It feels so nice. Alrighty. So that is it for my little review opening slash what the heck did I buy. This thing is warm. I think I paid 40, it was about 50 bucks. Like I said, I'll put all the information in the description. It was about 50 bucks, which is what I would normally have paid for anything like this. Definitely is, oh, wait a minute. There's a pocket in here. Okay. Is there another one? Oh, no. Okay. No pocket. Just this one inside pocket. But anyways, I don't recall how much the windbreaker for the Ivy Park was. Unfortunately, everything on Ivy Park is sold out, and everything on Popeyes website is sold out. So if you are wanting something similar to the Ivy Park line, but you don't want to pay Art Ivy Park / Adidas prices. These Popeyes windbreakers or whatever is like the bomb. And look, it has like their logo right here. And so I think I might actually get my name embroidered onto this. So if anybody watching this knows somebody that does embroidery, hit me up. And so yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see any more videos, please like and subscribe and comment below. If you've watched this much of my video, please comment below what your favorite fast food restaurant is. Mine is not actually Popeyes, but instead is Burger King. If Burger King comes out with a clothing line, I'm here for it. Burger King, what's good? Please. I'm like your biggest fan. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. If you want to see any other videos like this, let me know in the comments below. See you later.